So it's been probably 2 months at least since I was out here working on cleaning this field up. As you can see, everything has greened up since then, so it's going to make it a little bit harder to get through, but I'm still trying to get all these locust trees taken out so we can have a good place for the goats and things here in the future. So we did finally get our fence after waiting at least 2 months for the fence to come in. We finally picked that up the other day, and now I'm going to get back to clean this field up while I got some time. So I went ahead and got my work done in town already this morning, and we've had a break in the rain. It's been raining a lot lately. So anyways, the ground's a little soft. I hope it'll let these trees pull up nice and easy for me. Now he doesn't want to break this up too much because this does provide really good shelter for the chickens. In fact, they are I can see some of them off there in the distance right now. So they like to hang out underneath all the trees. So there's still going to be trees here. But we at least want to get the locust trees out since they're full of thorns. You know, we don't want to have our animals getting thorns in their hooves and things like that. So at a minimum, those are coming out. Well, kind of what I thought would happen is that Mini-X is great and I love the claw, but the hydraulic lines to the claw are just in a bad spot. And I just barely bumped it and started to leak, and I can't get this one stopped. So I've switched over to the backhoe. Doesn't have the claw, so it's a lot harder to pull things up and push them around, but I think I can make it work. And I'll probably have to get a new hose. I'm really not sure where the leak is at in my hose line. It's right down at the base somewhere, but anyways, I'll something else to fix. It's like every time I turn around, I'm either fixing the Bobcat or the backhoe or the Mini. So I was kind of wondering, or kind of hoping that once we're done with all this, I may sell a couple pieces of equipment and then get something newer. You know, I think I've saved a lot of money owning the equipment, but it's older equipment and it breaks down, and therefore I'm always fixing something. But in the long run, I still think it was a smart idea. So switching over to the old backhoe. Could take some of these trees out here. So I don't have the claw, I can't drag things around, so my strategy's got to change a little bit. So I'll take some of these ones out in the open, and then I was able to get one tree from that pile I just knocked down out, but I'm gonna have to clear a better path.
Here's little Miss Loosey Goosey. Hi. She's gotten so big in the last. She's only 2 weeks old.
I know.
And she was. Oh my! I can't believe how much she's grown. It's like she's doubled every day.
I know.
It's crazy.
She used to fit in my palm, and now she's huge.
She is huge. What do you think? What do you think? Shasta. What do you think of this? Look! Look at this big wide world. Oh, get Shasta. Sorry, we just had. What are you doing? What are you thinking? Hi, baby. Hi. I know. Look at this. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
So the girls are going to be very excited because hidden amongst all these locust trees is a mulberry tree. All those are mulberries and they're ripening up. So this guy right here, mulberry tree, they're gonna love that. Chickens are gonna love it too. They can get in here and they'll eat these things up like candy. That girl's gonna be very happy about that. So we have found probably, I think this is our 6th mulberry tree found on the property so far, and one of them is really big. It's her favorite to climb up and eat in. We keep telling them to go get mulberries so we can make jams and stuff, and they come back with like 5 and their mouths are all covered in mulberry juice. I'm gonna show you something.
Oh no.
Come here. Come here. Oh no. Not everything's bad.
I see you've been clearing trees.
I have been. Gotta get this goat fence or this goat thing ready. Hey, step forward, step forward, step forward, step forward, step forward, step forward. Look up.
This is a mulberry tree?
It is a mulberry tree.
Wow!
I know, it's right next to the chickens. Look on the ground. Chickens are gonna love those mulberries too.
Oh, they are.
I know, it was hidden inside all those locust trees the whole time. We never knew it.
Well, all the darn.
I know.
We got 2 convenient mulberry trees now.
That's what I said. It's loaded too. We get lots of mulberries out of this. Now this year, don't eat them all. I want some jams. I want to make some mead, maybe a pie.
I don't think I'm allowed to have the mead though.
Oh, but I am. So is your mom. Your mom loves the mead. Alrighty, back to work because this is moving along fairly quickly now. Oh, looks like the neighbor's cows got out. They're doing some weeding for us. A big bowl right there.
It's a huge bowl.
Big old bowl. So since we bought the property, we've occasionally had cow tracks everywhere, and we keep telling neighbors that the cows are getting out, and they keep telling us that the cows are not getting out. Well, now we've got some proof.